Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your rear door child locks in the newly refreshed 2024 Kia Seltos. I have in front of me here an EX all-wheel drive in Neptune Blue. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open the driver's side rear door. And then we're going to see on the inside here, this is the little symbol in the spot where we can activate the child door locks. Right now you see there's a little slot on the inside and it's kind of pointed away from the symbol. It looks like a little lock with a person inside of it. And what we're gonna do is, because this is push button start, I've already taken the key out of the bottom of the smart fob, or if your Seltos is key start, you can use that too. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the key, I'm gonna put it into the slot and I'm gonna give it a little twist. And now you'll see that the slot is now pointed toward the symbol. So if anybody went to go open this rear driver's door from the inside, they wouldn't be able to open it. It will be locked and you can only open it from the outside. And when you're ready to switch it back, you just go ahead and put that back in the slot, give it a twist the other way. And again, now you'll see the slot is away from the symbol and now the door can be opened from the inside. And this is going to do each of the doors individually. So right now, again, this was the rear driver's door, and then there will be another one on the other side for the passenger's door. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.